Hello, audience. Today I will be discussing about second very good opportunities for PhD scholarships at Ulster University. In my university, they have very interesting scholarships, and one of that is the privacy preserving machine learning for critical infrastructures. And this is like I'm presenting this one, and this scholarship is being supervised mainly by Dr. Aftab Ali, Naveed, me, and Professor Sally and Professor Farooq, right? Here is the link for the scholarship, so you can see the details for that one. And there is also a guideline for the PhD as well on the YouTube channel if you like to visit that one. So what is the overview of the funded PhD opportunities we have is, so the name of the scholarship is Privacy Preserving Machine Learning for Critical Infrastructure. So sometimes we have certain critical infrastructures and then we need to see that whether we can implement privacy matters in that one or not, right? This opportunity is funded by Department of Economy and Vice Chancellor Research Scholarships. It covers full tuition fee coverage and the maintenance allowance, which is £19,237 per annum, and the research training support grant, which is £900 per annum to cover conference fees and other research related activities. And this opportunity is open worldwide. The focus areas for this scholarship is that if you have interest in securing data in healthcare and energy, industrial or defense system, or like offloading computations from IoT devices to digital twins, especially, and apply advanced encryptions like homomorphic encryptions for the data privacy, then you are most welcome for this kind of scholarship. The research objective for this one is like develop a technique. So you need to develop a technique to analyze encrypted data without compromising the sensitive information. So that is the main theme for this scholarship. So why this one is important, this scholarship? Because we are trying to enhance data security in that one to protect sensitive information in high stakes environment and then enable advanced monitoring as well, support real-time decision making in critical infrastructure. And the last but not the least is meet the standards like GDPR in healthcare and other AI regulations for it. And then fostering innovation research is like to integrate IoTs, digital twins, and state-of-the-art encryptions, right? So who are eligible for that one? Anyone who holds or expect a first or upper second class honors degree, means like 4 years bachelor degree or master's degree, and then submit a strong and comprehensive research proposals. If you have already publications, that would support you more. Yeah. So the reference number is for this one was 1681489, and then the submission deadline is 24th February 2025, and interview date most probably would be in April, and the preferred start date is 15th September 2025. And these are the primary contacts for that one: Aftab, Naveed, me, and Professor Sally and Farooq. These are the things, the application thing, and you need to step forwards for this application. Prepare your comprehensive research proposal, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, and apply online, quoting the appropriate reference number. So why apply? If you are interested to engage in groundbreaking research in data security and AI in healthcare, you are most welcome. Benefit from full funding and internationally competitive research environment. So this is fully funded scholarship, so it will be good opportunities for you as well. Next thing is finalize your research proposal, review the eligibility criteria and application, submit your application online. If you have any question, you can ask the main supervisor, Aftabali, Naveed, me, Professor Sally, and Farooq. And after that, when contact information, you can also contact the doctoral college website of the university for more details. And thank you for your interest and best of luck for your scholarship.